be nice to say, hey, Roach, you know what I told Roach? He told me go back on the door.
This thing's got that lines again.
What does that mean?
Remember like you did on Christmas? The lines all through it?
Call Daddy up.
What did Hoyle tell you to do?
Look at Greg, the Easter Bunny.
Still got those lines.
That's fine. He said I wrote. Oh, Johnny, they look so
You want a glass of ice, or you just want to? Okay.
taking pictures.
Just like it is last time, Cliff.
Cold enough.
Hi, little Cloney.
All those lines
Say
through
hi,
it.
Talkie. Honey, happy Easter. Oh, they're all going.
yeah,
The Easter
anybody
Bunny
check it
came
out
to your
yet?
house.
Ah,
To take some food to.
I forgot all about it.
Oh, that's nice.
When it played back,
Nothing. Did the Easter Bunny
did it have
come to your
lines in
house?
it?
Yeah. Stop that guy. He's taking
Hey,
pictures
girl.
when my hair's
Still
soaking
got the lines in
wet.
it?
Yeah.
I just took a shower and it's wet.
It don't seem to be as quite as bad, but it's still there.
You should give your mom some money.
Why? Me?
It comes and
I don't
goes.
have any money.
On
Should
and
give
off.
her some money. They hungry or not?
There's discs in here, isn't
Yes.
there? Oh, no wonder. Greg, did you go to the show?
So I just cleaned it out.
The only thing is their work is so different that a cutback wouldn't automatically affect both of them
Even Guy said it's
because
wonderful.
they're in completely different areas.
Sure, I'll have one.
She wants one of
I don't know what all this stuff is. Chicken back is.
Oh, get out of here. I don't know what they're doing. They want See how I did that? Well, was that hard?
Take your food.
Everybody likes too, because Dad used to make it.
Look at Gail.
Margie?
Pretty Gail.
Greg, do you want me to make you a beef burrito?
Smile so you can be in there.
Rocky, did you put green chili on your mashed potatoes?
She
Done with the whole first
has a
floor.
little hat.
Gerald Cotton was a
That's the whole
superintendent.
frog
We're
family.
seven from outfit out.
Mama frog,
How
Daddy
beautiful.
frog.
Margie, thank you.
I remember
You're
that.
really lovely, huh? And guess what? Now I have a bookmarker. Smile.
Babe?
Show those dimples.
Thanks for the pop.
Guy should have got a picture of the frog family.
Get my girl, guy.
Where did Guy get you a pop?
Turn around and show him your butt.
I went home. Let's see.
Get her, guy, get her.
My grill,
Gotcha.
I love you so much.
Like 4 days.
Gee, when's Evan coming?
Hi, Guy.
Hey,
Happy Easter.
And
happy Easter. How you doing, Mo?
Remember I told you
Hi, guy.
Hey,
Get nothing.
I
got nuts.
I told him no, I just my
Naughty.
hair's wet.
Naughty.
No.
Don't lie.
Hey, tell him. Hey, tell him. Hey, tell him. Who does Pinko love? Who does Pinko love? How come he said that? How come Guy said that? Did you hear me? He said, don't lie. You could get your clothes to the cleaners.
They should have given us our dinner. So they got us some club
What'd they
soda
give
water.
you?
Nothing.
Oh, you guys are
just cleaned it
stupid.
off.
I would have said no.
We went to the shoes.
Stand not close to
Get clean. We were going out. Last night, we all took our shoes off, and instead of getting two little drinks, I got one of those little bottles of wine that has 2 glasses in it. So I had it, and I put one of her shoes on and one of mine on.
Oh, you guys were drunk. That's what happened. Hey, how could all that ketchup hit you and you didn't feel it?
Because we were busy eating.
Come on, you were that hungry. I didn't even feel something.
No, I didn't He was crying in the booth next to us, right, behind us. And he dropped that big thing and everything flew out. Well, I heard it drop, but I didn't feel it.
Peppers last night.
Came in the first thing he said, he left your doggy in the car.
What'd you do at Peppers?
Hey, Gail, when did she call?
What'd you do, Perry? Huh? You didn't go to Peppers? No. Why? You didn't have no money?
No money.
No money.
You gotta be rich.
Well, you should have got it with from Troy.
Church with Celeste and her family.
Who was Troy? Let him buy you a drink.
He always steals my money. He goes with Shim. He buys for Shim. He buys everything for Shim.
I have to buy for both of them. They're both goods.
Oh, gee. What kind of deal is that?
Let's go eat. That's what I ordered. You both will have money.
They say, who's buying?
They say, let's get Troy.
Let's get Troy. He's loaded. Say, say Troy's loaded. Get it from him.
You guys haven't seen anything!
You like it?
Daddy, is Randy not with her?
No, she dumped it.
Again?
Oh, get out of here. You guys haven't seen anything yet, wait.
Strawberry field.
You guys haven't seen anything yet.
Aren't you?
They're catching the rain. Another car.
I get the glasses.
A couple days ago.
You like them?
You gotta wait for Booty for his ice cream.
So we're going.
Happy Easter. Hey, Randy.
Sorry,
What you up to?
No, I don't. Hello. I'm Toby.
Gail's daughter. The one that's on the commercial.
He looks a little like Mr. Spielberg.
I've seen you before.
You were here for Christmas.
Okay, that's right. I brought that one and James brought that one.
Raj?
Better go get your food in there, Randy.
This is my sister Teresa's house.
Good.
This is Randy.
How you doing?
She was standing on
I got it first, she used to say.
I was the first one here. So you don't know me that well.
Are you butchering that tree?
What? Trying to.
Gonna ruin the ice
Booty
cream now.
got it, she
Gonna
just
water
now
it down.
bought it, right down
She's
the corner.
practicing so when she gets in soft
You know what, every ice cream I ever buy is never that hard.
BJ, do you want some more cake?
What do you want, are you gonna dance for us? Come on.
I got the
You
camera
guys
on you.
like
Come on, DJ, you're such a good dancer.
Come on, what you gotta do is this.
I know why he's not gonna dance. Because he'd rather sing.
Oh, you rather sing?
Please not now.
You guys have to wait.
I'm sorry.
Okay, well, we'll let Danielle do it. Can Danielle do it?
Put it in the microwave.
Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Somebody has a birthday this month. Happy birthday to you.
Harry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harry. Happy birthday
I'll lick your
to you. Speech. And how old are you going to be?
Does this mean that?
So we tear the house down. Come on and twist. Yeah,
Go ahead, go ahead, Bill. Hey, Margie, get up there, Margie.
Do white guys jump or not? I got tired. He's fine. Dale takes me, he really gets it.
They still got
Never throw that away.
lines to it. Oh, okay, no, we did.
I'll get something to match.
Get over here. I don't like it.
insurance on it.
Get this guy.
Yeah.
I said I get it done. Usually get it done every year. Get a service and then
Hold it up like this. Now I see I'm trying again for you.
I just got my contractor all of it too. When you're done.
Okay, here you go. See it now.
This is the only time she ever wears it.
Did you see mine?
That's it, Gail.
Here goes the mouth.
Gotcha! He's like a careless.
Catch some flies over
And
here.
usually putting you to sleep. This is his son. That's his son on that CD. Alright, it's all screwed up again. See? It's all screwed up again. All blurry and
Spread your wings and fly. Cry out. You need a friend. Feel the sadness, and there's no rest when we come to an
Gail,
end.
so we can go over there real quick.
But you can depend on me.
He's gonna be over here in about 20 minutes.
I will be there
No?
through your deepest, darkest night.
Just pass. Don't worry about it.
So trust and depend on me. I will be there to dry your crying
Yeah, that's
eyes.
it's also good. I couldn't pick out what I like best.
'Cause there's one
But I ended up having second the green chili and the beef. That was my favorite.
too many one too many shattered dreams. Falling down your face.
Music kind of crazy. Don't write nothing about buffalo.
Not in a hurry.
Oh, you started to rain.
It's raining? What Cliff? He sings good.
Snow here is gonna be worse.
Who do you also the extra one?
Babe, we gotta go. He has a bedroom at the house that he just kind of converted into a studio.
You already know
A little bit of recording.
what I'm feeling